Hello everybody, you are most welcome in Pune District Education Association Pune's e-learning subject English. I am Mr. Pawar DP from Pandit Nehru Vidyalaya Kamshet. Today we are going to learn one of the most important writing skill activities, that is story writing. It is asked in the activity sheet in question number 6. Very often the question always arises in our mind, how to write story. Very often we start somewhere and end somewhere. To write proper, meaningful and interesting story, we must keep in our mind these 5 elements while writing story. कथा लिहिताना या 5 गोष्टी जर लक्षात ठेवल्या तर निश्चितच आपली कथा ही खूप इंटरेस्टिंग होऊ शकते. The first one is characters. Second, problem. Third, setting. A very important element of story writing, plot. And the fifth and last one, that is solution or conclusion. हे 5 घटक म्हणजेच कथेतील पात्र, मुख्य पात्राशी समस्या, कथेचा स्थळ काळ, कथेतील घटनांचा क्रम आणि शेवटी ती समस्या कशी सुटते या संबंधी विवरण, अशा 5 जर गोष्टी आपण लक्षात ठेवल्यात कथा लिहिताना तर निश्चितच आपली कथा ही खूप वाचनीय होऊ शकेल. What are characters mean? Characters mean people, animals or creature in a story who can think, feel and act. कथेतील मुख्य पात्र म्हणजेच the main character, hero or heroine. Define the main characters. Then define villain. कथेतील विरोधी पात्र कोणते आहे. व शेवटी मुख्य पात्राला सहाय्य करणारी कोणती पात्रे आहेत, we can say them supporters, हे अगोदर निश्चित करा. The second more important element, that is problem. First, define the problem. कथेतील मुख्य पात्राचे कोणती समस्या आहे त्या अगोदर निश्चित करा. The main character is running into a problem. Something go wrong in his life. He need to figure out the problem. त्याला ती समस्या सोडवायची आहे. ती कोणती समस्या त्याला सोडवायची आहे हे अगोदर निश्चित करा. The third element is setting. Setting means the time and place of the story. When and where did the action take place? Setting म्हणजे कथा केव्हा व कोठे घडली याची तपशीलवार मांडणी म्हणजे सेटिंग. The time of the story may be past or daytime or morning, evening or at night. And the place of the story may be at school, jungle, city or in village. And the last in setting comes what did the character do. It comes to the last in the setting. Then the fourth part of the element, that is plot. It is a very important element of story. What is plot means? Plot means series of इव्हेंट्स और ऍक्शन्स. प्लॉट म्हणजे काय? घटनांचा क्रम. घटनेचा क्रम म्हणजेच प्लॉट. As the story develops, surprising actions take place. For example, you are going to interview. Suddenly, you come to know that there is a bus strike. Such rising actions take place. All things what will happen next, but the readers should not have the clue what is going to happen next. That is the climax. हा घटनेचा परमोच्च टोक असते. या सर्व बाबी म्हणजे actions, the actions must be rising, and to the end there should be climax. These things comes in plot. Then the fifth element of the story is solution or conclusion. The problem looking most intriguing at climax is solved and solution take place. शेवटी जी समस्या गुंतागुंतीची वाटत होती ती कशी सुटते आणि त्यातून कोणता संदेश मिळतो किंवा कोणता धडा शिकायला मिळते याबद्दलची वाक्य ही या सोल्युशन्स मध्ये किंवा कन्क्लुजन मध्ये असतात. If we keep these 5 elements in our mind, those are characters, problem, setting, plot and solution, we can make a very interesting story. Important things to keep in mind while writing story. कथा लिहिताना आणखीन काही गोष्टी लक्षात ठेवायच्या आहेत. First, about the tense. Use past tense while writing the story. कथा लिहिताना नेहमी भूतकाळाचा वापर करा. त्याती बहुधा use simple past tense, साध्या भूतकाळाचा वापर करा. साध्या भूतकाळामध्ये वाक्याची रचना ही सुरुवातीला कर्ता असतो, त्यानंतर क्रियापदाचे दुसरे रूप असते व त्यानंतर वाक्यातील राहिलेला भाग येतो. Second more important thing, that is vocabulary. Use proper verbs, adjectives, adverbs. कथेला अनुसरून योग्य क्रियापदे, विशेषणे व क्रियाविशेषणे वापरा. शेवटी कथेला शीर्षक देत असताना काही गोष्टींचा विचार करा व त्याअंतीच कथेला शीर्षक द्या. फर्स्ट, मॉरल लेसन. त्या कथेतून आपल्याला काय शिकायला मिळाले त्या संदर्भात वाक्य लिहू शकत असो तर ते वाक्य कथेला शीर्षक द्या. किंवा कथेतील मुख्य पात्र व त्याची गुणवैशिष्ट्ये. किंवा प्रोहब म्हणजेच मन जर आपण कथेला शीर्षक म्हणून देऊ शकत असेल तर निश्चितच या 3 गोष्टींचा विचार करून कथेला शीर्षक द्या. The activity is asked in the question to write or to develop the story, and the beginning is given. What is the criteria of marks for the story? The criteria for allocating marks: 1 mark is for title and beginning, 1 mark is for vocabulary and grammar, 2 marks are for use appropriate points, examples, conveying message, and 1 mark is for logical order or conclusion. From March 2020 activity sheet, activity of developing story is done for you. The activity was develop a story with the help of the following beginning. Suggest a suitable title, And the beginning was like that. Once there was a poor farmer. He had 3 sons. They were ... dot dot. The story has been developed. Once there was a poor farmer. He had 3 sons. These are the characters from the story. They were always quarrel among themselves, at home as well as wherever they go in the market. They could never agree with each other on any issue. The farmer tried his best to explain to them that the quarreling was no good, but his efforts were all in vain. Here the sentence is in red font. It is the sentence of setting, and the sentences are in blue font. These are the sentences of problem. Then he thought of an idea. He called his sons to him. He had a bundle of sticks with him. The bundle was tied by farmer. He asked each of his sons to break the bundle. Each one tried to their best, but could not. Then the farmer untied the bundle and gave each a single stick to break. This they could do so easily. The farmer then told them that if they remained untied like the tied bundle of sticks, no one would be able to harm them. These are the sentences of plot, means the events or the series of events and actions. Here you can see the series of actions. They are the rising action, and to the end it is a climax. So these are, or this is the paragraph of plot. To the end, the solution, they got the message. The 3 children of sons learned that unity is strength. The boys got the message, and from that day onwards, they stopped arguing themselves. This is the message they got from to the end. So the title we will give to the story as Unity is Strength. This is the lesson, this is the message we learned from this story. Friends, I am very sure and confident that with the 5 elements of story writing, characters, problem, setting, plot, and solution or conclusion, you can definitely write an interesting story. Thank you very much and take care.